can you talk with me? Hello, guys. Are you people able to talk with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Recording in progress.
Guys, what about the remaining people here? Because important topic, na, Satyajit. The topic itself is the important. The topic itself is the complex topic. The topic itself is the complex topic. But what about the remaining people? They need to join the session, na. Someone ping in the group. Someone, guys, someone ping in the group. Yes. Please open the Visual Studio Code. Please open the Visual Studio Code. Prathamesh, after opening Visual Studio Code, file, open folder, Pranav, file, open folder, Pranav, which folder?
7M.
Angular 7M folder. The folder is the Angular 7M folder. Saros, Angular 7M folder. In the today's session, today and tomorrow, these 2 days, I will close NGRX discussion. After closing this one, I will give some assignment to you. That assignment you people need to do. I will give one small assignment to you. That assignment you people need to complete that assignment. Fine. Satyajit, say this one. Please open the notepad file. I need to open notepad file. This is the notepad file I need to open. Fine. In the today's session, Saros, please ask the Ripal to join the session. Fine. In the today's session, today's 7th na, 6th or 7th? 7th na? 7/06/2021. Yeah, Sarosi, in the today's session, I will discuss with you model. I want you to create a model. Next one. I want you to create what? Actions. Model I want you to create. Next one is the actions I want you to create. Next one. What you want to create? Next one is the effects also I want to create. Next one is the one more thing is the I need to create a reducer also. What you want to create? Reducer. Prathamesh, explain once again. In the today's session, how many files I want to create? Chaitanya, 4 files I need to create na. What is the first file? Manikanta, active. What is the first file? Model. The first file is the model. What is the second file? Actions. The second file is the Karthik. The second file is the actions. What is the third file?
Effects.
What is the third file? Third file is the effects. What is the fourth file?
Reducer.
What is the fourth file? The fourth file is the, here we have the fourth file. The fourth file is the reducer. We need to create that one. Fine. Guys, I will speak very less, guys. I will speak very less and more information you people need to tell. Fine. Yeah. What is the project name? Saros, help me. What is the project name? The project name is the mini project. Pranav, which folder? Pranav, which folder? App folder. Pranav, which folder? One more folder. Which folder?
Model.
The folder is model folder. Next one. Here itself. Which file?
Product.model.ts.
Product.model.ts. Product.model.ts. This is the file we need to create. Karthik, explain once again. What is the name of the project? Karthik, what is the name of the project? Mini project. India. Under the mini project, which folder? India. Under the mini project, which folder? Source folder. Under the source folder, which folder? India. Which folder? The folder is the app folder. Under the app folder, which folder? Model folder. Under the model folder, which folder? Product.model.ts. Fine. Next one. Guys, how to start the server? I want to start the server. How can I start the server? Tell me. CD space. CD space server. CD space server. How to start the node server? Node space server. Whenever we call the node space server, automatically we can start the server. Fine. Can I execute API? Can I execute API? Localhost : 8080/. Array, tell me here. 8080/. Next one is the products. Unauthorized user na. Why?
Token.
Token na. Can I open the Postman? Yes, let me, Satyajit, please sync with the class. Tough, Satyajit. It's a little bit tough because these topics are a little bit tough. Try to sync with the class. Array, what about the Prem, these people? Arey, I think I'm getting the some little bit confusion here. Arey, after doing the payment, why you people are not coming to the class? Prem, he missed the session. Yeah. Can you tell again? Saros, tell me again. Is it a get request or post request? Saros active.
Post.
Get request. Get request, not post request. Which URL? Which URL? Products. Products. Can I go through the headers? Go through the headers. What is the key? Mini project. What is the value? Ashok IT. Can I click it here? Please click it. Now, are we getting the result or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, are we getting the
Yes,
result or not? Yes, we are getting the result here. What are the result is there? Whatever the result is there, that result we are getting here. Okay, na? Fun. After getting the result, based on the result, we need to create a model or not? Based on the result,
Yes, sir.
we need to create a model or not? Help me here.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
let me create the model. How can I create the model? How can I create the model? Respond. Mini project under the mini project source folder, under the source folder which folder? App folder. Under the app folder which folder? Model folder. Under the model folder which model? Product dot model dot ts. Fun explain guys. How to create the model? We will create a model by using interfaces. See this one here. Interface. Which interface? Product interface. Fun. Can I export product interface?
Yes.
Help me. Can I export a product interface? Yes. How can I export? Export default. Export
Class.
default. Which one we need to place? Product. Fun.
Model.
Under the product interface, what is the first field?
ID.
Underscore ID. What is the data type? String. Next one. What is the another field?
A name.
What is the another field? Name equal to. What is the data type? String. Pranav. What is the next field?
Brand.
The next field is the brand. What is the data type?
String.
The data type is the string. Next one. What is the another field?
Rating.
Rating. What is the data type?
Number.
Next one. What is the another data type? Another field? Cost. The next one is the cost. What is the data type? Number. See this one here. What is the next one? Description. What is the data type?
String.
Data type is the string. Next one. What is the another data type? Image. What is the data type? String. Next one. What is the another thing we have? Quantity. What you wanted to place? Number. Next one. What is the another thing you wanted to place?
Count in stock.
Count in stock equal to what you wanted to place? Number. Saros, is a model ready? Is a Pojo class ready?
Yes, sir.
Arey, why? What happened, guys? Please active here. Please help me to complete the NGRX package. Then, if I complete this one, then I will be very happy here because I will give one assignment to you. You people need to do that assignment. See this one here. Automatically product model is ready. Satyajit, are you comfortable with the model creation?
Yes, sir.
Satyajit,
Yes,
are you comfortable now?
Yes,
Next one. After completing the model creation, after completing the model creation, next one is the can I create the actions? Vindhya, can I create the actions? Vindhya, let me create the actions. What is the project name? Vindhya, what is the project name? Mini project. The project name is the mini project. Under the mini project, which folder? Which folder? The folder is the source folder. Here we have one folder. The folder is the source folder. Under the source folder, which folder? Under the source folder, which folder? App folder. Under the app folder, which folder? Actions folder. Under the actions folder, which action? Products dot action dot yes. Guys, your ideas, Satyajit, your ideas, what do you call? Satyajit, your ideas, what do you call? Actions. How many ideas you have? 3 ideas. Chaitanya, 3 ideas. Hit the server. Chaitanya, hit the server. Catch the positive response. Catch the negative response.
Yes.
Totally, how many ideas you have? Three. Array, guys, active guys, active here. Please active here. How many ideas you have?
Three
Three ideas.
Yeah.
What is the first idea?
All the
Hit the
server.
server. Hit the server. What is the second idea?
Getting
Getting the
Positive
positive
response.
response.
What is the third idea?
Get
Getting the
the
error.
Catch the negative
Error.
error. Catch the negative error. Totally three ideas we have here. Fun. In general, how to create the ideas with the help of enum data type na?
Yes, sir.
With the help of enum, I hope guys now you are feeling the little bit comfortable compared to the first explanation. Yes or not? Fun.
Yes, sir.
I think see this one here. Go to the actions. Under the actions, product.action.yes. Guys, how to create your ideas with the help of which data type?
Enum data type.
Enum data type. So these enum data type you need to convert it to what? Classes. You
Yes.
need to convert it to what? You need to convert it to classes. Fun. Explain here. Guys, can you people explain once again how to do this one? Can you people need to tell that one here? Fun. Guys, please explain once again here. How to create one enum? Export.
Put enum
Export. Enum. Enum. Which enum?
product exam.
Products. Actions. Products. Actions. Fun. What is the first one we need to take? What is the first one we need to take? First one is the get products. What is the first one? Get products. See this one here. See this one here. Products loading. Fun. Guys, is it a predefined syntax? No. But in the Google here, in the Google people, they told the syntax like this. Fun. Anyhow, just ignore that one. Not an issue here. Fun. What is the next idea? What is the next idea? Products. Products loading. Products loading success. Products loading success. See this one here. Products loading success. Fun. Guys, can you tell the one more idea? Can you tell the one more idea? Products loading fail. Products loading fail. Products loading fail here. Here itself, what you wanted to place? Here itself, what you wanted to place? Products loading fail. Here itself, we need to place the products loading fail. Are you people okay?
Yes.
Say this one here. Export enum products action. First one is the get products. Products loading. What is the next one? Products loading success. What is the next one? Products loading fail. Fine, guys. Can I convert your ideas? Can I convert your ideas to classes?
Yes, sir.
Guys, are you okay now? Are you comfortable today?
Yes, sir.
Are you people comfortable today?
Yes, sir.
Satyajit,
Yes, sir.
Lucky Singh, Omkar, everyone.
Yes,
Manikanta, say this one. Can I convert your ideas to classes?
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? Yes, let me convert here. How can I convert here? Export class get products. Get products. Implements. What is the predefined class? What is the predefined class? The predefined class is the action class. Here we have one predefined class. Which predefined class? Actions class. Let me go for the action class. Next one. See this one again. Guys, why this class? This class is used to implement the idea one or not? Tell me, whatever the class is there, is it a class one or not? This class is used to implement the what?
Idea
This class
one.
is used to implement the idea one. Is my point right or not? So how to implement it here? We should be in a position we need to implement here. So how can I implement it here? Fun. Try to say this one here. Here itself. Type equal to read only na? Is it read only? Is it read only or what? Public na? Can I take the public? Public read only. Type equal to. What is the enum name? What is the enum name? Products actions. Don't get products. So your idea one, whatever the idea one is there, that idea one converted to one class na.
Yes.
Whatever the idea one is there, that idea one we converted to one class. What is the name of the class? Get products. The name of the class is the, here we have one class here. The name of the class is the get products. Can I create the class too? Yes. Export class get products loading success. Products loading success. Implements action. Implements action. implements action. Satyajit, tell me here. Public, Satyajit,
Public read only type.
read only,
Type.
read only, type equal to Satyajit. Why this class? To implement idea 2 na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
To implement idea 2 or not? So how to implement it here? See this one here. Products actions dot product actions dot next one is the products loading success.
Products loading
Fine.
success.
Guys, if your second idea success, Pratyush,
Yes,
if
sir.
your second idea success, automatically you are receiving the number of products from the database na?
Yes, sir.
Tell
Getting
me.
the positive response.
Yeah, see getting the positive response. If your second idea success, automatically you are receiving the products. We need to catch that products na?
Yes, sir.
Yes or
Yes,
not?
sir.
We need to catch. How can I catch? Here see this one here. Public products. What is the model you created?
Product.
What is the model you created? Product model na?
Yes, product.
Guys, can I continue? Are you people okay?
Yes, sir.
Can I
Yes.
continue, guys? Say this one here. One more thing. One more thing is the export. Export class. Class. What you wanted to place?
Products loading file.
Products
Loading
loading fail. Products loading fail. Implements.
Action.
Implements. What you wanted to implement?
Action.
Implement action. Implements what? Implements action. Why products loading fail? Why products loading fail?
error.
You people needed to tell. See this
For the
one here.
error
Why products loading fail here? See this one here. Anyone guys? To catch the to
Error
implement the third one. To
Yes,
implement the third one. So how can I implement it? Public
Read
read only
type.
type equal to what is the enum here?
Products action.
What is the enum? Products actions. Products actions dot
Products loading file.
product actions dot third one here.
Products loading.
If a third idea success, automatically are we getting error?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can I catch that error?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Constructor. What you wanted to place? Public error colon. What is the data type? Data type is the string. Guys, totally how many ideas you have?
3.
Three ideas. That 3 ideas we converted to what? Classes.
Classes.
Ripal, nearly you have 3 ideas in our mind. That 3 ideas we converted to classes. What is the first class?
Get product.
Ripal, what is the first class? Get products. What is the second idea? Products loading success. What is the next one? Products loading fail. If your second thought success, automatically you are getting the positive result. If your third thought success, see this one here. If your third thought success, automatically you are getting the error. Fine. Totally how many classes you prepared?
3
classes.
These 3 classes we need to export now.
Yes, sir.
Yes or not? We need to export. How can I export? Export default. Export default. Default type. Type products actions. Product actions type. Any name here we can place any name. Product action types equal to what is the first class?
Get product.
What is the first class? Get products. What is the second class?
Products loading success.
Products loading success. What is the third class?
Products loading
What is the
fail.
third class? The third class is the products loading fail. Here we have the third class here. What is the third class? Products loading fail. Fine. Guys, someone take the responsibility. Please explain the flow once again here. Fine. I think Ripal, please help me here. Please explain this snippet once again. How many ideas you have?
3 ideas.
3 ideas. How to implement ideas? How to define the ideas with the help of which data type?
Enum data type.
Enum data type. Your ideas we need to convert to
Classes.
classes. Whatever the
Classes.
ideas you have, whatever the ideas we have, that ideas we need to convert to
Classes.
we need to convert to classes. Fine. To convert your ideas to classes, we need to dependent on one predefined interface. We need to dependent on one predefined interface. Which interface? Action interface. That action interface present into where?
NGRX.
Present into where?
Store.
@ngrx/store. Fine. If your second idea success, are we getting positive response?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Help me.
Yes, sir.
If your third idea success, are we getting error response?
Error.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. These three classes you need to hand over to FX, na?
FX.
Yes, sir. To hand over to FX, which keyword we need to use? Which
Export
keyword? Export type. Export to type, product action types, get products, products loading success, products loading fail.
Yes.
Guys, are you feeling comfortable or any difficulty?
Yes, sir. Very
comfortable.
Everyone, guys, everyone, can I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Taros, why you are in the muted mode today? Fine. Get a products actions is the product actions is the which data type? Enum data type. Enum data type. Next one. See this one here. What is the next one? Next one is the get products. Next one is the get products. See this one here. Get products. Next one. Get products. Next one is the
Loading
products
Products
loading
loading
success.
success.
Next one is the products
Products
loading success.
fail.
Next one is the
Products loading fail.
products loading fail. Next one is the products loading fail. Are the classes. Classes. Fine. And one more thing. These three classes stored into one global variable. Which global variable?
Product action type.
Product action types. Product action types. Fine. See this one here. Product action types contains all our classes. That's it. Guys, can I continue?
Yes.
Sir.
Are you people Wankar? Are you people lucky? Are you people okay?
Yes.
Initially, what we prepared? Wankar, initially what we prepared?
Model.
Arey, help me here. Initially, what
Model.
we prepared? Model. Initially, we prepared the model. Yes or not? Next one. After the model, what we prepared?
actions.
What we prepared? Actions. What is the name of the enum?
Products
Production.
action.
This enum converted to how many classes?
Classes.
3 classes. What is the first class?
Get
Products.
Products. What is the second class?
Products loading success.
Products loading success. Next one. What is the third class?
Products
Products
loading
loading
fail.
fail. These three classes are stored into one global variable. Which variable?
Product
Product
action
action
types.
types. Fine. Guys, if you are feeling comfortable with the actions, can I go for the FX?
Yes, sir.
Yes, let me go for the FX. We should be in a position we need to go for the FX. Fine. May I know the folder name? Mini project. Under the mini project, which folder? SRC.
Yes, sir.
Under the SRC, which folder?
App folder.
Under the SRC, which folder? We have the one more folder. Which folder is there? App folder. We have the one more folder. The folder is the app folder. Under the app folder, which folder? FX. Under the FX folder, products.fx.ts.
FX.ts.
Products.fx.ts. Please explain once again. What is the project name?
Mini project.
Mini project. Under the mini project, which folder?
SSC.
Source folder. Under the source folder, which
App
folder?
folder. App folder.
Under the source folder, which folder? App folder. One more folder is there. The folder is the which folder? The folder is the app folder. Under the app folder, which folder?
Effects.
FX folder. Under the FX folder, which FX? Products.fx.ts. We should be in a position we need to create products.fx.ts. Pranav, explain here how to create the FX file. Pranav, please explain here. Please go to the
Mini project.
please go to the FX. Can I go to the FX? Yes. Under the FX, we have the products FX now.
Yes,
Yes or not? Pranav, see this one here. How to create the FX? Pranav, how to create the FX? If you want to create a FX, we need to dependent on custom services now.
Yes.
Pranav, how to create the FX? We need to dependent on what? Custom services.
Custom
Fine.
services.
Do I need to create an object to do the service?
Yes. Yes.
Saros, are you feeling okay or feeling like a difficulty like speed? Saros, no response na? Yeah, see this one. Guys, how to prepare FX with the help of what? Custom services. Next one. See this one here itself. We need to create object to whom? Service. I think already you prepared one service. For the service, you need to create the object. Next one. How many ideas you want to implement? How many ideas you want to implement? 3 ideas. To implement all the ideas, we need to create object to the actions. That actions present into where? That actions present into where? Fx. That actions present into where? That actions present into effect.
Okay.
Can I take one variable?
Yes, sir.
Can I take one variable? Which variable we need to take?
Get products.
Get
Which
products.
variable we need to take? We should be in a position. We need to take one variable. Which variable? Get products variable. How to make asynchronous call?
Observable.
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 How to implement independent task?
Action.
Independent task
Action.
with the help of what? Action. How to go for the, and one more thing, how to go for the independent care? How to execute the one by one with the help of which function? Pipe. Fine. What is the enum name? Products action. What is our first thought? Get products.
Get products.
Then how to make the, how to connect to the server service? Merge map. With the help of what? With the help of merge map. Okay, fine. But before going to that one, guys, before going to that one, did you prepare actions? Did you prepare
Yes.
actions? Yes, sir.
Yes.
These actions we need to export now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
These
sir.
actions we need to export now. In order to export, we need to take one file care. Which file we need to take? See this one care. Yeah, see this one here. Here itself, we need to take the index.ts file. Remember that point here. All the actions are present into where? Index.ts file. Fine. Explain, guys. How to prepare the fx with the help of what? With the help of what? Injectable. Injectable. Guys, this is the repeated session, guys. Remember that one. This is the second time I'm explaining it because the reason is the toughest topic. Injectable. Next one. How to make the service as the global service? How to make the service as the global service? Anyone? Provided in equal to what you wanted to place root. Provided in equal to, we should be in a position, we need to place the root. Here itself we need to place the provided in equal to, we should be in a position, we need to place the root. Next one. How to export it here? Export default class products fx. Can I do the dependency injection?
Yes, sir.
Can I do the dependency injection? Yes or not? We should be in a position, we need to do the dependency injection. Constructor, what you wanted to place? Private service colon, which service? Which service? The service is the products service. Next one. How to implement all ideas? How to implement all ideas with the help of what? With the help of what? Actions. With the help of what? With the help of actions, we can implement all the ideas. Fine. How to create the effect with the help of which annotation? With the help of which annotation? At the rate effect. At the rate effect. Can I take one variable here? Can I take one variable here? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me take one variable. Which variable? Public. Which variable? Get products. Can I make asynchronous call?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let me make the asynchronous call. Can I implement action by action?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Can
sir.
implement action by action? Yes, sir.
Yes.
We should be in a position, we need to implement the action by action here. So how to implement action by action? With the help of what? Action. So with the help of action, we can implement the action by action here. So let me go for the action here. Fine, guys. How to execute one by one? How to execute one by one? With the help of which function? Pipe function. To implement all your ideas one by one. To implement all your ideas one by one, then we need to go for one function. Which function? Then we need to go for one function. Which function here? The function is the pipe function. To execute all your ideas one by one. All your ideas one by one. Then we need to go for one function. The function is the pipe function. Fine. To execute first idea. In order to execute first idea, then we need to go for
Second
to
idea.
execute our first idea. With which function we need to use? Of type of function. To execute your first idea, then we need to go for of type of function. Fine, guys. Can you import all our actions?
Yes, sir.
Tell me where we have all our actions. I need to import star as all actions. All actions from say this function dot slash say this function dot slash. Next one is the, we need to place the dot. Guys, all actions, you prepared the 3 actions now. All the actions are stored into which variable? All actions variable. Next one. I think where we have the exporting care index.ts file. Guys, index.ts file technically we can call dot. Dot means what? Dot means index.ts file. Here we have the dot na. This dot technically we can call, what do you call, index dot? Index.ts file here. What are the dot is there? That dot technically we can call index.ts file. Okay, na fine. Guys, is it contain enum? Is it contain enum? Anyone here? All actions dot. What is the name of enum?
Get product.
Products
Product
actions. Actions. What is the name of the first one? Get products.
Get product.
Fun. Explain, guys. How to implement idea one? How to implement idea one? At least one person. How to implement idea one? With the help of which function? With the help of half type. All actions are present into where? All actions variable. All actions variable. Can I pass the all actions variable here?
Yes.
Tell me. All actions
Yes.
variable. Data. What is the name of enum?
Product
What is
section.
the name of enum? Respond here. What is the name of
Product
enum? The name of enum is the products actions. Fine. Under the products actions, what is the idea one?
Get product.
What is the idea one? Idea one is the get products here. Here we have the idea one here. The idea one is the get products here. Is my point right or not? Next one. See this one here and one more point. One more point is the second idea contain asynchronous call?
Yes, sir.
Is the second idea contain asynchronous call? Yes or not? Second
Yes.
idea. Whatever the second idea is there, that second idea contain asynchronous call. So to make asynchronous call, here we have one more function. Which function is there? Here we have one more function. Which function here? See this one here. The
Merge.
function is the which function here? The function is the merge map function. Here we have one function. Which function is there? The function is the merge map function is there. So guys, can I import merge map function? Can I import merge map function? Import which function? Merge map. Merge map from rxjs/operators. When I think you ask like Pranav in the chat box, you ask, sir, will you tell the operators or not? This is called as the one operator. Fine. Here itself, what is the argument we need to pass? The argument is the callback function. I'm listening. Go ahead.
Instead of merge map, can we use concat map also?
Why not? Why not? Switch map, concat map, so many things are there. After completing this one, I will tell you when to go for the merge map, when to go for the concat map, when to go for the switch map. I will tell you that one. Okay, now fine. Merge map here. Merge map, can I call the service?
Yes.
Can I call the service? Let me call the service. How can I call the service? This dot service dot which function?
Get product.
Get products of function. Which function? The function is the get products of function. So whenever you call the get products of function, how many responses are possible? How many responses are possible? 2 responses are possible now. What is the first response? Positive response. What is the second response?
Error response.
Error response. To catch that one, which function we need to call? Pipe function. To catch that one, which function we need to pass? Pipe function. To catch positive response, which function we need to use? Map function. To catch error response, which function we need to use?
Catch
error function. We need to use one function. The function is the catch error. To catch positive response, which function we need to use? Map function. To catch error response, which function we need to use? Catch error. And one more point. Under the catch error, we need to take the callback function. Whatever the callback function is there, that callback function we need to place here. Let me place the callback function. We need to implement error thought now. Tell me, we need to implement the error thought now. Error or not? Guys, are you there now? We need to implement what? We need to implement the error thought again. So in order to implement error thought, and here itself we have one more function is there. Which function is there? Off function. We have one function here. The function is the which function? Off function is there. Off function here. Off function. Next one is the see this one here. Off function. Next one is the all actions dot. What is the third class you prepared?
Loading fail.
Get products loading fail. Next one is the here see this one here. We should be in a position we need to place the network error or something we need to pass. Whatever the network error or something is there, we need to pass that one. Colon, we should be in a position we need to place the name. Fine. Anyhow, guys, at the end we will see the error again. Don't worry about it again. Next one. And one more point. Guys, where is the off function? Whatever the of function is there, that of function also may be present into where? That of function. That of function also present into RxJS. RxJS here. So no need to worry about it here. Next one. After completing that one, just see the syntax, guys. You need to see the syntax of new. Yes, I think no need to place the parenthesis or something here. Let me see the another thing here, guys. If asynchronous call success, which response we are getting?
Positive response.
Positive response of what is the model you need to place? What is the model you need to place? Product model. The model is the which model you wanted to place? Product model. Array, why it's not getting here? It should get now. Product model.
Products array.
That model here, where to get it here? That model should get a product model. Can I import manually? Why not? We should be in a position we need to import manually. Guys, this is not the problem of explanation here. This is the problem of concept itself only. So try to understand here. Import. What is the model? Products. From product or products? Product from dot slash product from anyone dot slash next one model slash product model. Fine. Here itself, can I place the product array?
Yes,
can
sir.
I place the product array? Why not? Happily we need to place the product array here. And one more point is the, see this one here. Why it is showing the error here? Here itself, what you wanted to place? Positive response of what you wanted to place? Product array. Fine. Guys, is a map function imported or not? Check this one. Is a map imported or not? You need to verify. Let me import the map also. We should be in a position we need to import the map. Yes, then the error will go on here. Next one. After completing that error, see this one here, return. Observe this one here. We should be in a position we need to place the return. Return what you wanted to place. Return, we should be in a position return new all actions dot. What is the second class?
Products loading success.
Products loading success. Next one, what you wanted to place? Positive response. Simply we need to place the what you wanted to place here, positive response. What are the positive response is there? That positive response we need to place. What are the positive response is there? That positive response we need to place. Why we are getting the error? Can you verify this one? Why we are getting the error? Check the error. Type observable unknown is not assignable to type observable action.
Only action is there, no? No need to. Only action. So in 45 line,
in the line number 45, na? Line number 45, actions, not action, actions, not action. Actions only. This not action start pipe. Once again, did I import action?
So S is not there, no?
No, S should be there. Everything is there, na? Everything is there. Just to verify this one.
But in the action file, we use only no use S there.
Here S should be there. Check the code, guys. You people need to check the code here. What is the variable we taken? Get products. Here, how to make the asynchronous call? Observable. Here itself, what you wanted to place? Action. Here itself, actions. Pipe function. Here itself, all actions dot. enum type. This is the enum. Next one is the first one. Next one, merge map of merge map of what you wanted to place here. Merge map of get products, pipe of positive response. Next one is the positive response.
Error
Next one is the
response.
what? Error response.
Error
How
response.
to execute the error with the help of which function?
Of
Of a
the
function. How to execute the positive response with the help of what? No need to place anything here. Simply we need. Guys, code is correct here, but the code we written, that code is correct only. Anyhow, let me place it. Just guys, help me once again. You people need to help me once again. How to create the custom service? How to create the custom service at the rate injectable? How to make the service as the
Provided in
global
root.
service provided in equal to at least one person here, provided in equal to root. How to export the service? Talk with me. How to export the service? Tell me here. Export
Default
default export default class. Which class? Which
product.
class? Products effects. Products effect. Next one. How to do the dependency injection? Constructor
constructor.
private private what you wanted to place actions colon actions colon what you wanted to place actions colon. We should be in a position we need to place the actions. What are the actions are there? So if we have more than one action, if you have more than one action, at that time we need to go for the actions. Fun. How to create object to the service? How to create object to the service? Anyone? Private service colon private service colon which is
Product
service?
service.
Product service.
Product
Fun.
service.
How to create the effect? How to create the effect? At the rate
At the rate
at the rate
At the
effect.
rate
At
effect.
the rate effect here. How to create one variable? Public which variable? Get products
product.
variable.
Get
Fun.
product.
How to make the asynchronous call?
Observable.
Observable. How to implement task by task? How to implement task by task? With the help of what? Action or not?
Yes, sir.
With the help
Yes,
of
sir.
action. With the help of action, we can implement the task by task. Fun. How to execute all the actions sequentially? How to execute distort products dot distort actions data
Pipe.
distort actions dot pipe. How to execute the task one?
Of type.
How to execute the
Of
task
type.
one with the help of what? Of type.
As well for function
Of
of
type.
type.
Of type. And here itself, what is the name of enum? What is the can I import everything here?
Yes, sir.
Can I import everything here? Import staras
All actions.
all actions from dot slash
Or
next one
dot slash dot
index.ts. See this one here.
index.ts.
Import star
Yeah.
as all actions from dot slash star index. No need to place the index here. We can place the dot also,
Dot.
not an issue. Fine.
Yeah.
In this all actions, do we have any enum?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
we
sir.
have the enum or not. What is the name
Yes,
of
sir.
enum?
Product section.
Get
Products actions.
product
Products
action.
actions. In this enum, what is our idea one?
Get product.
Get
What is our
product.
idea one? Get
Dot
products.
get product.
Your idea one is the get products here. Next one. Is the second idea contain service call?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is second idea
Yeah.
contain service call? Yes, the second idea
Yes,
contains
sir.
service call. So how to do that one? With the help of which function?
Merge map.
With the help of which function?
map.
Merge map function. We have one function. The function is the merge map function. Do I need to import a merge map?
Yes, sir.
Do I
Yes,
need
sir.
to import
Yeah.
merge
Import
map?
merge
Yes, sir.
map.
We need to import merge
Yes,
map
sir.
here. Import merge map. Import merge map from rx/js operators. Guys, here we have so many functions: merge map, switch map, concat map. So many functions. Nearly 10 functions are there. I will tell you when to go for which function. First of all, let me complete this one. Then one day, 2 to 3 days, I will take it. 2 to 3 days, I will take you when to go for the merge map, when to go for the switch map, when to go for the concat map, and so many things are there. Fun. Here itself, just observe this one here. Here, what is the argument we need to pass? Callback function. Next one. Can I call the service?
Yes.
Can I
Yes,
call the
sir.
service? Yes. Let me call the service. How can I call the service?
Distort.
This
Service
dot service
which
dot
function?
product
Get
get
product.
product.
Distort service dot which function? Get products. Fine. How many responses are possible?
Two.
Two
Two
responses.
responses. To catch the positive response, which function?
Map.
Map function.
Sir.
Can I import map function?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I import map function? Are you people there now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Let
Yeah.
me import the map function. Whatever the map function is there, we need to import the map function. Here itself, whatever the map function is there, that map function we need to import here. Let me import the map function. Fine. See this one, Ken. Once again, guys. function? Next function is the, tell me here, what is the next function? Next function is the catch error. To catch the positive response, guys. To catch the positive response, which function is there? Map
Off,
function.
sir.
To catch the error response. To catch the error response, which
Catch
function
error.
is there? Which function is there? Catch error function here. Here itself, try to say this one here. Here itself, what is the argument we need to pass? Callback function. Whatever the error we are getting, that error will be stored into error variable na.
Yes, sir.
Whatever
sir.
the error we are getting, that error will be stored into error variable. How to execute the third task? How to execute the third task? With the help of which operator?
Catch error.
With the help of which
Off.
operator?
Off.
Off operator. With the
Off.
help of an operator, the operator is the off operator here. Fine. How to create object to the third class? How to create
New all
object to the third
actions.
class? We need to create, say this one here. Here we need to go for one more thing here. The one more thing is the new all actions data. New all actions dot. What is the next one here? Third one. Here itself, what you wanted to place here, and here itself we need to pass the network error. Whatever the error is there, that error we need to pass. Network error we need to pass. Let me pass the network error, something we need to pass. Next one. Guys, on one more pointer. One more point is the, see this one here, guys. Here itself, are we getting positive response?
Yes.
Are we
Yes,
getting positive
positive.
response? Yes, we are getting
Yes,
the
sir.
positive response. What is the model? What is the
Product.
model? Model is the product model here. Here we have the model here. The model is the, which model is there? The model is the, here we have the product model here. What are the product model is there? That product model we need to place. Next one. See this one here, return, new, all actions data. What is the second class? What is the second class?
Product
Products loading
loading
success. Products loading success. Next one is the positive response. Oh my god, this much of harassment is there. Yeah. And the syntax is the too much difficult syntax is too much harassment here. Fine. See this one here. Because of this complexity only, we got one more subject in the market. The subject is the Vue.js. Once if you go for the Vue.js, this much of complexity may not be there. Guys, are these syntaxes are easy? Are they, oh my god, how
No,
many
sir.
syntaxes? Too much difficult here. Too much difficult. I think first of all, we are feeling the difficulty with the React.js. In the React.js also same concept is there. There we are feeling the difficulty. In the Angular also too much complexity is there. And once if we go for the Vue.js, this complexity they reduced. Fine. Guys, after completing reducer, after completing effects, can I go for the reducer creation? Can I go for the reducer creation? Tell me. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let me go
sir.
for the reducer creation. How can I create the reducer? Observe this one here. We should be in a position. We need to create the reducer.
Sir,
What is the
in effect we use that the error type is any, but in action file we write the string.
So in the at the end after getting the output here, are we getting anyhow we are getting the error na? At that time we will rectify that small issues. Okay, na? Fine. See this one here. The project name is the, what is the project name?
Mini project.
What is the project name? The project name is the mini project. Under the mini project, which folder? Which folder? Source folder. Under the source folder, which folder? App folder. Under the app folder, which folder? Under the app folder, which folder? The folder is the reducer folder. Under the reducer folder, which reducer? Products.reducer.ts. We have one file here. Which file we need to place? Products.reducer.ts. Fine. Explain once again here. What is the name of the project? What is the name of the project? Mini project. The name of the project is the, here we have the one project. The project is the mini project. Under the mini project, which folder? Which folder? The folder is the SRC folder. Under the SRC folder, which folder? App folder. Guys, can I ask one question to you? Is it a final result? Is it a final result? Is it a final error? Tell me.
Yeah.
Is it a yes, sir. Who will receive this result? Reducer will receive. Who will receive?
Yeah.
Reducer will receive.
Reducer.
Tell me here, reducer will receive the positive response or not?
Yes, sir.
Reducer will receive positive response, reducer will receive error response also. So reducer will take either positive response or error response. Will hand over to whom? Store. Will hand over to whom? Store. Guys, did you remember the architecture?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you remember the architecture, guys? Yes, sir. See this one here. So can I create the reducer for you?
Yes,
Let
sir.
me create the reducer. Whatever the reducer is there, that reducer we need to create can. Fine. How many responses it will receive? 3 responses. First one is the hitting the server. Next one is the positive response.
response.
Next one is the next
Error
one is the
response.
error
Error
response.
response.
First one is the positive response here.
response.
Next one is the positive response. Next one is the error response. Next
Error
one is the
response.
hitting the server here. So
Yes, sir.
what is see this one here? What is the name of the function? What is the
Product
name of the
reducer.
function?
Product-
Products reducer.
products.
What is the argument one? Output. What is the argument to input? Guys, state means
In-
total output or
First
not?
input.
Input.
No. State means what?
Input na
Out.
sir.
Listen, state means output of the application or not?
Sir.
State means what? Output of the application or not? So state
Yes sir.
state means
Yes sir.
output or not? Argument to is what? Input. Argument to is what?
Yeah.
Input here.
Input sir.
So how to take it here? Fine, guys. Can you people help me here? You people need to help here. Can I create one function? Can I create one function? Export
Yes.
default function. Which function? Products reducer. Which function? The function is the products reducer. Fine. Here, how many arguments we need to place? First argument is the state. Second argument is the second argument is the
Output.
action. Action here. So can I take the some dummy output, default output? Yes, sir. Let me take the default output. How can I take care? See this one here. Interface I state. Interface I state here. Loading equal to what is the data type? Boolean. Next one. Products
Boolean,
equal
yeah.
to products equal to what is the data type? Product array. Next one. Error equal to what is the data type? String. Fine. And one more point. One more point is the can I take the initial state? Can I take the initial state? Tell me here. Constant initial state equal to what you want to place? I state. Constant initial state equal to I state here. Next one. Loading equal to what is the initial value? False. Next one. What is the next one here? Products equal to what is the initial value? Empty. Error equal to what is the initial value? Empty. So can I store here? Can I store
Yes.
here?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Fine. Guys, all the classes are stored into where? All the classes you created the three product action types. Next one. Here, what is the interface you created?
I state.
I state.
I state.
I state here. Next one. See this one here. Can I take the switch case? Switch
sir.
case here. Switch action dot type. Case. What is the enum? What is the enum?
Product actions.
Product actions dot. What is the first one? Get products.
Get products.
What is the second one here? What is the second one? Second
Case
one is the
product actions.
product
Dot.
actions dot.
Actions dot.
Leave it. See this one here. The second one is the what is the second one? Second one is the product actions dot. Product actions dot. What is the next one? Products loading success.
Products
Next one.
loading success.
What is the third case? What is the third case? Products actions
Product
dot.
actions dot.
Next one.
Product
Products
loading
loading fail. Fine. What is the default case we need to take? Default case is the return. Return. What you wanted to place? State. What are the state is the that state we need to place? Next one. Guys, say this one here. Return. We need to return JSON object to the customer. We need to return JSON object to the customer. We need to send duplicate copy of final result. That duplicate copy technically we can call dot state. That duplicate copy technically we can call dot state we need to place. Next one. Loading equal to what is the loading initially? False. Next one. What is the products initially? Empty. What is the error initially? What is the error initially? Empty. What is the error initially? Error is the initially empty here. We should be in a position we need to place empty. See this one here. Here itself, return. Here itself, we need to place the return. Return. How to maintain the immutability? Dot state. Next one. Loading equal to what is the loading we need to place? Loading equal to true. Next one. Products equal to action dot. Products equal to action dot products. Guys, are we taking products variable now?
Yes,
are
sir.
we taking products variable now? Yes or not? Same products variable we need to place. What are the products variable is the same products variable we need to place here. Next one. Error equal to what you wanted to place? Empty. Fine. Let me see this one here. One more thing.
Could you please explain line number 27, sir? Dot state.
Dot state in the sense maintaining the duplicate copies. Is it the original result? It's a original result or
No.
not? Is it a original result? It's a original result. State is nothing but the original result. Don't to send the original copy to the customer. Send the duplicate copy to the customer. Fine. Otherwise, psychological, I will tell one point. After the class, I'm sending this code to you or not? Saroju,
Yes, sir.
I think
Yeah.
while practicing yourself, will you modify my code or will you create your own code?
I'll create my own.
You are creating your own code. Yes or not? That is called as the
Yes,
dot
sir.
dot.
Yeah.
That is called as the dot dot dot. Result is there now. Result is there now.
Yes, sir.
Result duplicate copy. Result duplicate copy. We can call that dot dot dot. It's related to JavaScript. In the JavaScript, we have the spread operator. Fine. Next one. Guys, let's see this one here. Spread operator. Dot 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 state. Next one. Loading equal to loading equal to what? Loading equal to true. Next one. Products equal to what? Products equal to empty. Products equal to empty. Next one. Error equal to what? Error equal to, we need to place the error equal to, we should be in a position, we need to place the action dot error. Error equal to, we should be in a position, action dot error. Guys, the application flow will be like this, guys. So the application flow will be like this here. So please go through up to now here. Fun, see this one here. Totally how many things we completed? Totally how many things we completed here? Model we completed. Next one.
Model
Actions we completed. FX we completed. Reducer we completed.
Reducer
Four things we completed here. Next one. Which one is pending? Which one is pending here? Store is pending now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Store
sir.
is pending. Next one is the dispatch and subscriber.
Selector.
Dispatch and subscriber. Only two things are pending here. Two things are pending here. These two things I will explain in the tomorrow session. If I explain these two things in the tomorrow session, then you may feel like you may get the little bit clarity regarding the NGRX package. After completing that one, just to do your own example, guys, and never dependent on any training classes to understand the NGRX package. The code will be difficult like this again. So I will share this code to you. Immediately you need to implement your own application also. Just to take one more URL, just implement that one. Then you are getting the broad idea regarding the NGRX package. Fine. Can I commit the code? Can I commit the code? Let me commit the code. How can I commit the code? Git add data. Next one. Git commit -m NGRX. How to push it? How to push it here? Git push. Okay, na? Fine. Please go through up to now, guys, and never miss the tomorrow session, guys. Very, very important. Tomorrow session also very, very important. Never miss that one, Fine. Thank you, guys. Bye.